Okay, guys, in this lecture today, we're going to talk about the testing roadmap, another important tool to help you manage your advertising marketing like a pro and to help you manage your business like a pro. The main reason you need to have a testing roadmap is because you want to have clarity of your actions. Rule number one, you are in this training because you need to stop behaving like an addict who doesn't know what the hell is he/she doing in the platform. The main goal to have clarity and understand results properly, it is by having a roadmap for success. So now let me show you how do you use this roadmap and what all these things means. So in the top, first we have the ads that are currently live. Here you have DCT, means dynamic creative test, that means there is a prospecting ad, or if it's a golden bear, when we do the initial test will be GB. Then you have the name of the concept. So remember guys, you had the concept, you run the brand awareness ads, you got the winning elements. Now that ad is live into prospecting, so that's a DCT ad, and you name the concept here so you know which ad actually is live, because that's a dynamic ad, so it's one ad with several elements inside that's running. How much are you spending on daily basis, what is the launch date, and what is the current results. You can also run the GB accounts, and again it will be GB golden bear, put the name of the concept that you're testing if it's live, and it is the same. Here at the bottom we have again category, task, budget, dependency nodes, and dates. So now if you have and you're working on a certain concept iteration, a few concepts you want to test, again you know how much money you have guys. You cannot test 100 times at the same time. Always do one test at a time. So follow a roadmap. So first we have creative testing, we have audience testing, and we have offer testing. Just to make sure 99% of the time you will be only into the creative testing space, because we use broad targeting, we don't do hacks and tricks. The only time you use audience testing is when you want to test USA against United Kingdom, or Florida against Georgia, or Los Angeles against New York. So if you want to change locations and you want to just know that, okay, I'm not testing the creatives in the ads, but I'm using exactly the same ad that's already working but in a different location, then you're going to put it here because you know now that you're running an audience test, not a creative test. Or if you want to use the same ad, same location, everything the same, but the offer is different, the pricing of the offer is different, and you want to test to see if you can get a better price, which again guys, these are luxurious problems. If you're not spending thousands and thousands of dollars a day, there's no need to do any of this. Then you know that you're not testing the creative, the location, you're testing actually the offer, then you can put it here. But 99% you will be in the creative testing zone. So what you do first, you put the name of how you name the ad in the ads manager. So we have a lecture about nomenclature. So GB means golden bear, TOF means top of funnel, and then we use the name of the concept. We put the budget. Now we have dependency. So I'm very visual guys, I always use colors. These are completed GB tests. So I put dependency at the moment is completed, and notes I got the winning elements I need. Second one is the same, and then you see I have dates here that you can just change any way you want. And I had live, that ad went live then, it finished it then. So I always know guys what happened, when it happened, why it happened. Then when I have three other ready concepts to test, like DCT, dynamic creative ads, that I need to go live. And so for example in this case you can see I had these two concept tests in brand awareness, they finished, and now I have them both in DCT, dynamic creative test, which is a prospecting ad, right? But I'm not going to run them both at the same time. I started this one on this date, right? And I'm already having the first results, 3.5 per lead. Become an authority concept. Here you can also have, now it's waiting for approval, but maybe it's waiting creatives from editor, maybe I'm waiting videos from videographer, or whatever the dependency in the moment, and you can put estimated launch date to be 10. So when you see your roadmap, guys, the reason for doing that, if you have you see something on the internet, I should want to try this, you go and you create it, make your concept, make your ask, but then schedule them in your roadmap. Respect your roadmap. Follow the dates, because like this you have a clarity of what are the next steps you're taking, rather than let me just chunk 3 other ads and 4 other, this doesn't work, then you pollute all your data, you make a mess of your account. Remember, you have no work into the ads manager. Your work is outside in your Excel sheets. You're creating here, you make your videos you make your Canva designs, whatever you use it. You do not touch the ads manager. You sort out all your Excel sheets, you sort out your testing doc first, then you come to the testing roadmap, you schedule when your ad is, maybe it's in 2 weeks, maybe it's in 1 month, when you want to run a certain test, you schedule it here, and you see you schedule everything. And then you're expecting the test to finish for a week, and then you get the winning elements, and you schedule it here for 1 week later. And if somebody comes and somebody gives you a great idea, you don't break your roadmap. You just find a way to schedule it in. And like that you stay on top of your tasks and on your ideas, because when you have an idea you want to explore it. You don't want to let an external event or a person to come and just tell you, you should try this, and then you just collapse everything you built. Because guys, for most of these things you did very thorough and deep research, you dedicated time, you had a moment at a specific time when you're like, this might work, I want to test it. So don't let 1 week later something or somebody to change your mind. And that's why you have the roadmap to success. And whatever goes live, immediately you put it here so it can stand out in your eyes. And here you can put what are my next consideration tests. And here you put everything that, again, you might have 10 tests scheduled for the next 6 months. You might think 6 months ahead, but consideration here is like the next few one, and here are which one are actually live with the results at the moment. But having this roadmap, it's really helping you stay on track of your goals. So because you're all day on the internet, and when you start running ads, you're going to see a lot of stuff, you're going to see a lot of ads, and your brain is going to start playing table tennis, or ping pong as we call it, with ideas, and you're going to become a mess. And this roadmap is fixing that. So again, establish launch dates, when they go live, when they're going to go down, when they're going to plan to finish, and if something is live. Let's say you run a DCT campaign like this. Let's just say, for the benefit of exercise, 3 steps, right? Let's not fill this in all, and it's live at the moment, but the results are much worse than I didn't want. So I can put, alright, on this date, it went live on this date, and I killed it. I put that on this date, and I put that in dark red. That's my style, you don't have to use color. That. And then when I see why is it that, I can say $7 per lead. And I want to say, okay, that's why it's that, because in only 2 weeks the lead cost per lead was 7, but at the same time I'm having an ad that's 3.5, so that's why I killed it. Really important, very helpful tool. Having a roadmap, it's crucial to your success. Again, manage your advertising, marketing and business like a pro. Again, thanks for watching, and ask questions.